Hello everyone, my name is Seun Omatsola, and here I'm going to take you guys on JavaScript programming. We're going to start from the basics, so let's have fun. Alright, so here I am at Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to run my JavaScript codes here, not on my browser, which is the usual way of running our JavaScript code. But you can do this if you have Node.js installed. So I have Node installed. You do that too if you want to follow up. Now, I'm going to create a document first. Now, there are several ways of creating a variable in JavaScript. First and oldest, I think, is the var keyword. Let's say var, let's say variable. Let's say equals to hello world. Beautiful. Now, the var keyword is used for declaring variables in JavaScript. It's old and I think a bit deprecated. One error with it is variables that are created in this format are available outside their scope. Now you may not understand what the scope is yet, but just understand that it's there. That's what it is. Now, a variable in any programming language is a storage form, like it's an assigned bucket for storing data. In this case, I'm storing a string, this string of hello world. I'm storing it there. I could decide to store a number, let's say variable 2, that would be cool. This time I don't want a string, let's say I want a number, let's say 30, let's say 25, 256, 256. And I could decide to console log that too. Now, basically, that's it. It's not like other strongly typed language whereby you have to declare int this or that. No. Another way is to use let. This now is the more preferred way. Like it's the newer way, and we have const. All right. So my console log here is just for JavaScript to display whatever I pass into the console as in my console. So if I run this now, it will display these lines. Uh, all right. So let it creates variables that can change over time. Let me show you here. So let's say we've already declared variable 3. So if I put variable 3, I can now put it to using let. Now, this is a completely different type, like different string entirely. In fact, let's say log here. Let's say I can log variable 3 here, and then you're going to see it mutates over time. So in order to run this, I'll just type node first JS. All right, now let's see. This first one here, okay, perhaps I should off these so that we don't get confused. I just commented out the code. Now watch. This first one here is using let. Is using let again. That means the value has changed from this to this. It log. Click. Run it again, you see. Alright. Now, this is hello world using let. Then using let again. It has changed. And then this. Now let's try that with our const. Let's say const. Let's say I want to change it to this. I want to change it using let. So, let's say const again. Let's see. It throws an error. The reason why is we are using const. Type of error, assignment to constant variable. So you can't change the value throughout the code unless you come here and hard code it and change it by yourself. That's one of the difference between const and let. Why the var can change just like the let. It's basically like the let, but the var is available all throughout the scope of the document. So this is more like a scope. So when you declare a variable here, it shouldn't be available outside the scope. So let's say 5. Mhm. You see, variable 5 is not defined. This here is a scope because it's a block. It's a block of code. It's separate from the others. But if I change this to var, it would run and it will print hello world using let. So sorry, I'm gonna change this to var. All right. Now, hello world using var. So we see the differences between using let and using var and using const. Now, let and const we are introducing ECMA 5, I think. Yeah, ECMA 5, which is ES5, sorry. While var has been there, it's been guy right from time. So I'll be ending there today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Out.